Okay, hello everybody. Hope you're well. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I just wanted to quickly run through this concept about how to run cold email campaigns at scale using the power of Spintax. So without further ado, let's get into it. And by the way, my name is Daniel Carroll, founder of Cosmic Growth Labs. So Spintax allows you to create hundreds or even thousands of unique email variations of a piece of text from a single kind of template or piece of text. And this allows you to bypass spam filters when running cold emails at scale, which means we get better deliverability. And so it's short for Spintax. Create multiple variations of a single piece of text, and I'll quickly show you an example in a second. But yeah, you can use alternative words or phrases within a sentence, allowing to ultimately generate different versions of the email for each email sent, and this is what's gonna keep it fresh and bypass spam filters, stuff like that, and allows you to deliver cold emails at scale. So it looks kind of like this. Let's say that your email signature is warmest regards, Daniel Carroll, founder of Cosmic Growth Labs. How could we change? Well, we could change it like this. The Spintax version would be warmest regards, best regards, kind regards, warm regards, best wishes, Dan or Daniel, or they Carroll, my last name. Then founder, this is for the title, founder, owner, founder and CEO with that symbol there. Founder and CEO just written out and then we have the of or at with the symbol, and then either Cosmic or Cosmic Growth Labs. And so we want to do this because basically what's going to happen is depending on your recipient of your emails, well, they won't get all of this. They're only going to get one. So the final result will be like best regards, Dan Carroll, founder and CEO of Cosmic, right? Or it could be best wishes, Daniel Carroll, founder at Cosmic Growth Labs, whatever, right? It just adds more variation. And what you want to do is you want to add Spintax for every 5 words. And so you also want to do this with a Spintax generator, as it will randomly select one of the variations, right? And you'll have that in your sending tool, right? Whichever one you use for cold email. And yeah, you can, here are some Spintax generators you can use. So like Spintax.ai or an AI assistant. So just use ChatGPT or Claude to help you with this. And so Spintax is not perfect, right? Some domains will be burned, right? Still, but that's part of the cold email game. But Spintax in general helps domains burn out less, and therefore you'll hit more. You can hit a higher cold email sending volume. And so here is an example of Spintax in action, right? And so we do hi, hello, hey, name. I came across, noticed, saw your recent work on project name, and was really impressed or blown away. And you can use Clay for this or whatever they're working on. We specialize in our team at agency name excels at. We're a creative agency focused on, right? Then you have this here. So tech startups. You could also do another one like go like that, right? Just to add more variations like yours. And so achieve, reach, get a 25%. You could also write in the word percent here. Increase or improvement in trial signups by using data-driven landing page. You could also do Spintax this to be without the hyphen here, right? Just as much variations as we can do or as we can think of, just because it allows just the more variation. You don't want each email to look like the previous one, right? As more variation as possible. Otherwise, email platforms won't like it if you don't do it, right? And so again, this is how we do this at scale. And so using data-driven landing page optimization or redesigning landing pages into one that actually convert so that you can stop wasting ad spend on landing pages that don't convert, or you no longer throw money at ads that send people to pages that just don't work, right? Whatever, right? That wasn't even that good of a cold email, but it gives you an example. And so here's some easy Spintax opportunities. One, contradictions can always be expanded. Or sorry, contractions, my bad. Contractions can always be expanded. For example, where becomes we are, I'm becomes I am, and you're becomes you are, right? And you can do that with a bunch more. And the word and can be replayed with ampersand, right? That symbol there. That's just a quick one you could do. And also email signature, that's another one that people miss. So the closing signature is always an easy place to add variation, as I mentioned here, right? You want to make sure that this is in your signature or your version of it. So this is Spintaxed, your name is Spintaxed, your title, this part is Spintaxed, even your company name is a Spintax. And you want to get, again, you should aim for Spintax every 5 words. That's your target. And so, yeah, these are the quickest wins because they require no creativity or writing. They don't change the meaning at all, and they can be applied to almost any cold email. So if you're looking for a framework for where to look first without adding Spintax to any cold email campaign, there you go. Hope this was useful. Hope I didn't blabber on too much. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Have a good one. See ya. Bye-bye.